stop. Look at this, all right? Just chill.
Oh, hyfryd. Isn't it a bit late though to be down there on your own?
No, I'm literally 16. It's not that late.
It's always later than you think, Bach.
Anyway, I've got to go. I can see him coming now.
Do you want to talk to them about college?
I don't know,
You
maybe.
can't put off much longer, love. It's time to make a choice. Anyway, when you're back,
Who says I'm coming back?
Eva Davis. Fine. Save all my bills then, won't I?
Okay, I gotta go. Carry team.
All right, Bach. You take care now. Love you too.
Yeah! Where's the party at?
Remember it? Can't believe we're all together again. Oh. Okay, let's go before I start crying.
You been shaving again?
Yeah, I gotta look fresh for you, haven't I?
Let's go.
Can you not do that?
You guys chill. Yeah, but actually bad.
And that is because...
Dab,
Excited to see you.
Dab, come on.
Right, that's your bag.
Listen.
I swear that's your bag.
Oh, the one who said that you would bring everything.
What?
Wait, you said you would bring everything.
I told you.
Okay.
No, it's good.
Wow, look at that.
I mean, look. Isn't that nice?
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Is that a new jacket?
Yes, it is.
That's banging. Oh,
Ah.
yeah, that's Rory.
There's something I need to say to you.
Okay.
Blame my ever.
Really did that?
Have you been learning?
Blame my ever. Where have you been?
What, you want it around you? Yeah.
It's just like ages.
It's only been like 2 months.
Yeah, it was
Yeah,
2
tell me
months.
about it.
I didn't
How's the nan?
You know our nan is always up to something.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Is it?
Yeah, she's a bloody love of my life. Your nan is.
Well, Felix Rachel, because she's actually obsessed with you.
I know, yeah.
But you know, if you ever want to move to Merthyr, that'll be amazing.
Yeah, that's quite tempting. But no, actually, no. I'm gonna pass. Thank you, Tim Merthyr, for me. No.
Such a lightweight.
Ah!
Listen, let's get it started. Yeah.
I got my bag.
Anna, what's going on with Anna?
Some beard is going on.
Oh yeah, I thought you were into it. Totally wet.
Oi, I am not whipped. You know what? Don't get anything serious.
Oh yeah, keep it light, of course.
Oh yeah, keep it light. Just keep it light. You like it?
Wait, whatever.
Ninga bar.
I'm here for the
So, how are exams?
I smashed it. Piece of piss.
Yeah,
Thanks.
ever.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, barod ti ddechrau coleg?
Ie.
Falle ddim.
Try.
When have you got?
Na? Eva! Eva!
I'm going in.
That's not.
I'm going in.
What?
You're going.
She said she's going into the sea.
Wait!
Look.
Guys! Guys! Look at this. Wait, Evan, for real?
Serious?
You for real? Guys! She's going in. What?
Oh, your mother.
It's everywhere. I'm not going in that. No.
Run.
She took her shoes off.
Eva, come on now.
In the water.
You are mad.
Okay.
Come on, you coming?
Go on.
Come on. Come on.
Eva. What are you doing?
Go on, Rory.
Nofio, obviously.
Good spotting. Eva, classic.
Come on, come on.
Serious?
So scared.
No.
Nah, shut up. That's it.
What's your problem?
Dim problem. And we were going to like Boita and like hang out again.
Oh, screw eating, get in here.
I can't swim. Can't you just chill? Well, we haven't seen you in how long?
Does she call Hoyle? That's not fun, is it? It's now or never.
What are you on